Hello Goddesses, Tula here, and as I promised to go live today to talk about why it's important to erase I have to. So today in this live I'm going to set a fun challenge to you to eradicate I have to in accordance with our hashtag for this year, which is hashtag choose to challenge. So let's talk about why it's important. And firstly, did you know that it's a cause for chronic fatigue syndrome, which I found out the hard way? And you know, the thing about I have to is always about a choice we make. And the thing is, as we're growing, we're always told what we have to do, and then we end up telling ourselves what we have to do. And the thing is, if we actually stop and think, why do I have to do this? And then establish whether it's something that you really want to do and whether it's good for you, is really important, because sometimes we set our patterns even on automatic and we don't even question ourselves on why we have to do something. So the thing is that we are plagued by obligation these days. So it's really important for us to stop and think, why do I have to do this? When we tell ourselves, I have to do this. And of course, when we have a goal in mind, there are things we must do, and the trouble or the problem is when it becomes an obligation. Okay, so when it comes to our goals and putting them into action, it's really important to come back to our why, because then our motivation is pure and it's not something you have to do, it's something you love to do. And that's why loving to do something is so important in this life. It's such a gift, and I recommend it for everyone. So my challenge to you for this week, and what I want you to do is comment yes if you accept the challenge for hashtag choose to challenge, right? And if you like this video, press like or share it. But here is the challenge. For the next week, erase I have to do this. Even if it's for an hour, a day, or a week, and let me know what your observations are when you actually erase I have to do this. Because I will tell you something, Goddess, and that is you never ever have to do anything you don't want to. And I'm sure that a lot of us can recall times in our life when we were told we had to do something and we did it even though it didn't feel right. So you never ever have to do anything you don't want to, Goddess. Tell me if you accept this challenge, hashtag choose to challenge for this week, and erase I have to.